How to buy PSWAP token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto. The best referral code, simplest goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, go and check the REX account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 4 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. And also this token turned in number 6 in the base section. Now to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your wallet. I will use the BITGET wallet for that. Now first of all, I will just go into my wallet to be able to buy this token. Now as you can see, from the top right corner, now select the base as a network from here. As you can see, after that, click on this plus icon and place token address in the search bar. Now as you can see, this also now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called PSWAP. So after you find it, as you can see, what you need to do, just click on it. Now click here on swap and switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and now you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see here. So if you see this message, as you can see, corresponding liquidity pool, we need to buy it via Uniswap. Now first of all, what you need to do is just go to Uniswap website like that, and as you can see, now wait a few seconds to be able to access to Uniswap. Now click on the website, and now wait a few seconds to load the page that you can connect your wallet first. Now first of all, what you need to do is just click on connect here, as you can see. Now click on other wallet to be able to see your wallet here. So after you find your wallet, I suggest to use the BITGET wallet for that. Now click on connect. So after you connect your wallet to Uniswap, if you don't find your token here, go back to this token page on the screener, and now you can copy it from here, this token address, and now go back to Uniswap and click here. Now first you select the base as a network first, and now we can place the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is also gonna click on it and click on don't show me this, and now click on continue. As you can see, this is also gonna from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example the USDC, and now you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive here. You will be able to find it here. So after clicking on swap, a pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy PSWAP token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.